shape here is a square. It's a 2D shape. Remember, I'm gonna write 2D. You don't have to do that. Square. Now we're gonna do the 3D version of a square. All right, there's 2 ways. I'm gonna show you on the scrap sheet. Lost the scrap sheet, got another one. Okay, this is how I do it. I think this is how the little handout that I sent attached to this assignment, if anybody bothered to look at that yet, it shows this way. So you want this angle and this angle and this angle to be the same. And then you would connect them and you'd make them the same length. Look, I probably didn't do that. You would not want it to be, and I see this, oh yeah, I'm gonna stick something out there because that's not gonna be a cube. Okay, so this is wrong. This is basically right. Another way that some people do it is to do the box in a box trick. I see people do this all the time. I never do this, so I'm gonna make sure I do this right. They connect, they connect, they connect. But I don't really want a see-through box, so I kind of would like for you to erase whatever lines are on the inside that are gonna interfere with this shading. So you can do it that way. So this will be right, this will be right. That's 2 ways. All right, so we're gonna go this way and we're gonna draw the square again. And then I'm gonna do it my way, but you can do it whatever way you want to. I just drew some lines at the same angle. Drew that, overshot that a little bit. So I'm gonna put the light source. I seem to like this spot for the light source. Oh, and this is a cube. A cute little cube. And so I'm gonna say, well, this whole front of this box is probably shaded because the light's not hitting the front or the side that's closest to me. So I'm gonna like try to neatly, I lay the color in, that's what this is, and I'm gonna kind of rub it in a little bit. I'll erase it if I get out of the edges. If I don't like how bad how it looks, I'll go in there and give a little more. I gave you some numbered pencils, but I don't want you using those yet. I'd rather you just use the number 2. This is an HB, which is very similar to a 2. I tried to find a pencil before I left school, but I think I've given them all away. Okay, so then this right here, it might have a little bit here because it doesn't look like it's hitting the top of the box, so that might be kind of dark. It might have a little bit at the bottom. It's kind of guessing, as long as you've attempted to do it what you think where you've set yours up. But it's not going to be any where it's hitting. And I think with this eraser, I'll take that back out. That's a big eraser. Okay, so that's probably like the best I can do